Directions. Directions plays very important role in physics beta. So let me take first about how to handle north, east, west, south. We'll discuss now. So let us take this is north, this is east, and this is the west and south. Now, how to know the direction means, suppose, let me take one vector here. Vector means which has magnitude and direction. This the vector name is A bar. Here, this A bar is making an angle. Theta is equal to here 45 degree. 45 degree. If theta is 45 degree, then I can write the direction here. How to write the direction? It lies between this vector A bar is lying between north and east. Lying between north and east. So it is lying between north and east means I can call it as northeast direction. Northeast direction. Simply I can call northeast. When I can call northeast, if angle is 45. So angle is 45. Happily I can call it as northeast. Now the question is arised. Suppose angle is not 45. Suppose angle is not 45. Then how to handle that situation? Let us observe now. Here this angle is suppose some 30 degree. For example, let me take 30 degree. And this is as usual. This is east. And here this one is I call it as north. And this is west and this one is south. Like that I am taking the direction. And again this vector name is called as B bar here. So now when I am calling this vector name as B bar, so here this angle let me call it as theta 1 and let me call this as theta 2. Two angles here. So this is 30 means obviously this is 60 degree. Now if I say the direction is northeast means it is wrong. I can't call it as northeast. Sir, it is lying between east and north. No, sir. It is lying between east and north or not? Yes, it is east. This is north. So this vector is lying between north and east, no doubt. But this is called as northeast if angle is 45 degree. Angle is 45 degree. It is exactly on bisector. Exactly on bisector. Bisector means but that north and east. Observe here. East and north are perpendicular. The bisector means angle must be 45. Then only we call it as northeast. Now this is another situation. It is not bisector. It's not bisector. The angles are different. So now we can't call it as northeast. How to handle this one now? The B bar vector. How to say with respect to theta 1 or theta 2? Let us first observe with respect to theta 1. With respect to theta 1, you observe where is the vector lies. Just observe only theta 1 beta. Don't see any other thing. Theta 1 where the vector lies. So theta 1 is made with respect to east. Theta 1 is angle made with respect to east. And it is lying the direction above the east here. That is, it is lying towards the north direction. So here, for east, this direction is south, but this direction is north. Where is vector B bar? Where is vector B bar? B bar is lying exactly above the east side. That means here we are finding it as north direction. So theta 1 is called as north of east, north side of the east direction. Theta 1 is called north side of the east direction. So where this B bar lies? B bar lies. How to answer this one means we have to answer like this beta. Observe carefully here. Simply what they have given here. They have given this is east and theta 1 is 30 degree. So now if we observe B bar, our target is to explain B bar direction. So where is B bar lying direction means the angle theta 1 is made with respect to what? East. First angle is made with respect to east. And with respect to east, we have two things. This direction we call as north, this direction we call it as south. Where is B bar lies? B bar lies. B bar lies for east with respect to east, it lies where? North side. It lies north side. So now at the B bar lies north side of the east direction. B bar lies north side of the east direction. So simply now we can call it as north of east. What is this one? North of east. So with respect to theta 1, it is north of east. Now with respect to theta 2. So with respect to theta 2 means how to handle. So theta 2, observe better now. Now let's see now. First of all, theta 2 is made. Theta 2 means what is the angle there? Theta 2, only observe theta 2 here now. Only observe theta 2. The angle is, I told, some 60 degree here, and this vector name is V bar. So we know this direction is east and the direction is north, like that, everything we know. Now with respect to theta 2 in it. So this angle previously we told this is 30 degree, right? Let us write this as 30 degree. Fine, leave it about that. Now our target is theta 2. So where is B bar lies? Observe, our target is B bar. Where B bar lies? So theta 2 is made angle with respect to what? Theta 2 is made angle with respect to north. So now my B bar is found in the direction of east, because for this north, this is east side, this is east side, and this is west side for north. So this is east side and this is west side. Now where is my B bar lies? B bar lies now. I can write B bar lies here. See, observe B bar carefully here. B bar lies east side of the east side of the north. Because angle is made with respect to north, we have to discuss with respect to north, we have to discuss. So it is east side of the north, east side of the north. So theta 2 now I can write as east of north. Theta 2 I can write as east of north. I hope you are clear how to handle east of north and west of north, like that. To understand little better, let me take first of all, in our first diagram, this is northeast. Suppose another vector I am taking exactly here. This is the B bar and angle here is 45. This 45 means this is also 45. And this is also 45. All the angles are 45. I am taking, suppose this one vector C bar. Here this is also 45 degree. This one also 45 degree. And this vector is D bar. And here also 45, 45. All angles are 45. Then now, what should I write? This is lies. This is, see, D bar. First observe D bar. D bar lies between east and south. So 45 degree, simply southeast. Fine. Here, this A bar, where is A bar is lying? A bar is lying between north and east. Already I wrote northeast. B bar lying between where and where? Observe carefully here. B bar lying between north and west. So we can write it as northwest because angle is 45. Angle is 45, no confusion. Simply northwest. Either with north or with west, nothing to discuss like that. B bar is by along bisector northwest. C bar is along direction, I can write as southwest. For C bar I can write as southwest. I hope you are clear. Here with nothing confusion here. Now coming to the next part here. Here with respect to here now theta 1, here don't worry about this 30 degree or any 15 degree anything. Just remember the angle must be other than 45. It must not be equal to 45. This theta is lying between some 0 degree or 90 degree. 0 degree or 90 degree. It is in some quadrant. Theta is not equal to 45. So theta is not equal to 45. Let me call this vector as A bar only. Let me call this vector as A bar. And this vector, now I am taking another vector. This is B bar. And this is another vector. This is C bar. Another vector, I am taking this as D bar. I have taken 4 vectors. Now let me take the total 4 angles, that is total angles here everywhere, because no angle is 45. So theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, this is theta 4, theta 5, theta 6, theta 7, theta 8. Total 8 angles I am taking here. Condition is no angle is 45. No angle is 45 here. All the angles are other than 45. First, let us observe about theta 1. Carefully observe about theta 1. Theta 1 is made with respect to what? First condition, theta 1 is it's made with respect to east. It made with respect to east. Where A bar lies above east. It means here what we are finding here? North. So we have to call this as north of east. We have to call it as north of east. Remember, theta 1, when we are discussing about theta 1, we first what we observe east, and this lies the north side. A bar lies. Where is A bar means? A bar lies north side of east. North of east. Must not call northeast. North of east. North of east. Similarly now, theta 2. When you observe here theta 2, where this A bar lies? Where A bar lies? Can you say better here? Yes, it is lying east side of north. So I can write this one as east of north. So what is the theta 2? East side of the north direction. Similarly, theta 3. Now it is very easy now. Where is B bar lies? B bar. Theta 3 is made with respect to north. So west side of the north direction. West side of the north direction. Now theta 4 you observe. Theta 4. Where theta 4 lies? Where theta 4 lies? North side of the west direction. North side of the west direction. So now it is very comfortable to write here. Now theta 5. Theta 5 where it lies? Theta 5 is made with respect to what? West. It is lying. They are showing below west means here. What is there here? South. So I can write here. South of west. South of west. South of west. Theta 5. Theta 6. It is south of west means it's very easy to say. This is west side of the south direction. Similarly, theta 7. Theta 7 I can write east side of the south direction. Theta 6 is west side. Observe here. Theta 6 is which direction? It's made with respect to theta 6 or theta 7. Both are with respect to south. But theta 6 is west side of south direction. Theta 7 is east side of south direction. Like that we can write. Next, theta 8. Theta 8. Theta 8 is with respect to what direction we are making beta? With respect to east. So now we have to say where is D bar? D bar is a vector. Theta 8 is between D bar and east. D bar lies south side of the east direction. So we have to write here south of east. South of east. Like that we have to give south of east, east of north, north of west, and all those things. Now I hope you are clear with this one. Let us see the next one better here. Suppose they told here this is positive x-axis, and this is negative x-axis, and this is a positive y-axis, and down one is negative y-axis, I am taking one vector like this. This is the vector. This vector is A bar. The angle made with the positive y-axis is theta. This is theta. Now, what is A bar means? Simply we know how to write A bar means. A bar is angle made by, A bar is nothing but angle made by vector A bar. We'll write angle made by vector A bar with respect to positive x-axis, Everyone are comfortable till here because theta you observe it is made with respect to positive x-axis A bar. So what is theta means? Angle made by A bar with respect to positive x-axis. The problem is here, what is the direction? What is the direction of this theta? So now the question is clockwise or anti-clockwise. How to identify clockwise or anti-clockwise, sir? Means remember one technique here. No confusion you have to require means just remember like this. Angle has to be drawn from axis to vector. So from axis towards vector, this is axis here. We are drawing from axis towards vector, Axis to vector means that is what direction, beta? If you are moving like that, we call it as anti-clockwise. If you are moving like this is clockwise. So now if you observe here, we are moving from axis to vector, axis to vector. From where we are moving? Positive x-axis towards the vector. So positive axis towards the vector means what direction we have to call it as? We have to call it as anti-clockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction. So two things will be there, anti-clockwise or clockwise. Some students are getting confused. Sir, what should I write, clockwise or anti-clockwise? Suppose, now let me take, this is some theta angle, and this is as usual, positive y-axis, positive y-axis. Let me write this vector name as A bar. What is theta? The question is what is theta? Theta is nothing but angle made by, we can write like this, angle made by vector, which vector? A bar, with respect to which axis? With respect to, yes, see, observe, it is with respect to, theta is angle made with respect to positive y-axis, with respect to positive y-axis. Fine. The question is in dash direction. So what is the direction? We have to write clockwise or anti-clockwise. That's the question. Generally, this will be the question. So if you have any confusion, just I told that angle has to be drawn from axis to vector. This is axis, axis towards vector. Angle has to be drawn from axis to vector. We are coming from axis to vector like this. Like this you are coming means this is called as clockwise direction. Clockwise. We are traveling in the direction of clock. So we call it as clockwise direction. In the clock, how that minute hand and hour hand, how they'll be rotating better? They'll be moving in this direction. So this direction we are calling it as clockwise. So our answer is clockwise. Is it clear now how to handle directions? The first one what we discussed here is about the northeast, northwest, southwest, southeast. Here the only technique is angle is 45 degree. Angle is 45 degree. All angles are equal. Bisector angle is exactly, that is a vector is exactly bisector of north and east. Bisector means the angle it divides is 45. So northeast it is here because 90 degree bisecting means 45. Simply we call northeast, northwest, southeast. This is one concept we discussed today. And we discussed about how to take north of east, east of north. When the angles are not equal to, observe here, when the angles are not equal to 45, when angles are not equal to 45, then we can't call northeast, northwest, like that we can't call here. North side of east, east side of north, like that this discussion was made. Then we discussed about how to handle clockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction. That information we discussed in today's class. So the directions point of view is very important in physics beta, because from motion plane chapter, laws of motion chapter, work energy power, system of particles in second year, so many topics are connected with directions. So you have to be good in directions. So please be perfect in all these three types of directions what I discussed. Okay, beta.